Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hopefully all of you are fine. Today we are going to start our lecture number 5 from the unit number 1, and that is the human body. And our today's topic is circulatory system, and students task is into how many chambers is the heart divided. Learn and write in your worksheet. So this is your day 5 home assignment. So here is your question, into how many chambers is the heart divided. Heart को कितने chambers में divide किया गया है, and here is your answer. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. Heart को 4 chambers में divide किया गया है. हम इनको one by one discuss करते हैं. Number 1 is right atrium, number 2 is left atrium, number 3 is right ventricle, and number 4 is left ventricle. First two are the upper chambers and last two are the lower chambers of the heart. So first two, right atrium and left atrium, are upper chambers, and last two, right ventricle and left ventricle, are lower chambers. So here is our diagram which is showing 4 different chambers of the heart, 2 upper and 2 lower. So 2 upper heart chambers are right atrium and left atrium, and 2 lower chambers are right ventricle and left ventricle. So one by one देखते हैं हम इनको. So this part is right atrium. ये आपको जो ब्लू पार्ट नज़र आ रहा है राउंड से, ये क्या है? राइट एट्रियम. एंड दिस पार्ट इज लेफ्ट एट्रियम, एंड दिस पार्ट इज राइट वेंट्रिकल, एंड द लास्ट वन इज लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. ये है राइट एट्रियम, दिस इज लेफ्ट एट्रियम, दिस इज राइट वेंट्रिकल, एंड दिस इज लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. So students, this is your today's lecture. You have learned about the 4 different chambers of the heart. What you have to do, you have to learn this question and write it in your worksheet. Thank you.